Hi guys, welcome again to Chat's Garden, and it's February 18 now, and it's late in the afternoon. It's 5 o'clock in our place, guys, and the sun is still very bright, and because it's my birth month. I had my birthday lately, guys, February 16 na. This one, I got a mug with happy birthday. Said coffee is life. Yan, we are going to stay together drinking coffee, guys. This is one of my favorite pastime. Yan, is to drink coffee any time of the day. And I'm going to show you my top 10 favorite plants. As I've said, because it's my birth month, and it's the first time that I'm going to show you my 10 favorite plants, guys. It's random. I got from different varieties, from different plants, guys. And they are with me. These plants are with me 6 months and beyond already. So I select them not because they are not just beautiful, but because of they are easy to care, and they are not giving me headaches, heartaches, and everything, guys. They have been with me for quite some time now, and I find them very, very easy to care and to deal with, guys. With simple ways of caring them, they thrive and they grow beautifully, guys. And I hope you will enjoy and be with me throughout my film. Thank you for always following me, for always watching my video, guys. Every plant has its own story with me, guys. So this is my number 10. Yan. This is my heart leaf philodendron, the green one. I love this plant, guys, so much. Oh, look at this, the very glossy young leaf. Very nice, very lush, and it's not giving me any promise. Yan. My heart leaf philo. And the number 9 is this, my ever favorite Squamiferum. I already had 2 poles of it. The first one already outgrown, so I added one. This one. Very nice. Hindi pa ako nakapag-transplant nito, guys. Hindi pa. Wala pa. Yan. Kaya ganyan pa rin siya kalas. May Squamiferum. Napakaganda niya. Oh. Walang kaarte-arte. May 8. Yan. Itong aking number 8. Yan. Ang aking walang katapusang Philodendron Brazil. Yan. That is giving me this bright shade of gold. And look at the new leaf. Yan. Napakaganda rin niya, guys. The shiny one. Yan. Ganda niya. Wala rin kaarte-arte ito, guys. Napakadali rin buhayin. Every plant has its own story with me, guys. So this is my number 10. Yan. This is my heart leaf philodendron, the green one. I love this plant, guys, so much. Oh, look at this, the very glossy young leaf. Very nice, very lush, and it's not giving me any problem, guys. Yan. My heart leaf philo. And the number 9 is this, my ever favorite Squamiferum. Look at this, guys. I already had 2 poles of it. The first one already outgrown, so I added a one. This one. Very nice. Hindi pa ako nakapag-transplant nito, guys. Hindi pa. Wala pa. Yan. Kaya, yan. Napakaganda. I picked this one from my 13 varieties of begonia because this is my favorite of them. Why not? Napakaganda niya, guys. Walang kaarte-arte. Very last. Tapos nag-flower pa siya. Yan. Hindi ko pa ito natatanggal. Tapos, yan. Ready to be propagated, guys. Kasi meron na siya ditong mga stems na may roots. Yan. Napakaganda niya. Tingnan nyo naman. At tingnan nyo ang kanyang bagong dahon. Yan, oh. Ang ganda. Yan. Ganyan na itsura niya, guys. Yan. Nag-iiba rin ang kulay nito. Lalo na pag na sinaga ng araw. Yan. Pagaganda niya. May begonia. The next one is this. My Ficus triangularis variegata. Guys, I have a story of this. I propagated this. Actually, this is the baby. I have the mother of this in my care for almost 4 years. But then, when I top cut it and planted this one, after almost about 3 months, medyo nagtampo siguro at unti-unti siya namatay, guys. That was September last year. Yan. And I forgot it na nailagay ko siya under the shade ng other ficus din. Akala ko okay lang siya doon. Siguro naulanan siya ng matagal at hindi ko siya nakita, guys. And then nung hanapin ko siya, wala na. Buti na lang na-save ko ito. And it's very timing. Kaya ang advice ko sa inyo, guys, kung meron kayong mga halaman na last at gusto ninyong paramihin, isa rin sa mga advice ko ay mag-propagate kayo, guys, para kung sakasakaling may mangyari dun sa nanay, meron na rin po kayong mag-preserve na anak niya. So, eto na siya. Actually, yung mother niya noon, wala akong naging problema. Natatanggal lang yung dahon niya pag gano'n na summer, pag hindi ko masyadong nadiligan, pag medyo nakalimutan ko. Pero, bumabalik naman siya. Sad to say, yung isa kasi noon, hindi ko talaga nakita. Maganda siya, guys, diba? Tingnan nyo. Kakaiba. Yan. Ito sa mga favorite ko na ficus. Yan. Buti na lang, guys, na save ko ito. And then, ito, ang aking tortum. Itong aking philodendron tortum, guys. Ito dati, hindi ko ito masyadong pinapansin. Kasi parang sa tingin ko, parang ordinary lang na palm tree noon, sa tingin ko. Pero, noong nakikita ko sa mga pinopost ng mga vlog ng mga tabol na halaman, ito isa sa mga rare plants pala ito noon, guys. At actually kahit ngayon medyo rare pa rin siya. Yan, wala naman ako naging problema sa kanya. Napakaganda niya, guys, at magandang ilagay ito sa loob ng bahay kasi Gustong-gusto naman niya, basta medyo na meron lang siyang konting makuhang liwanag. Light to moderate light, okay na sa kanya guys. Yan. Ang ating Philodendron tortum. Wala rin itong kaarte-arte. The next one, isa rin sa aking mga favorite ay ang ating tricolor na Aglonema guys. Ito magmula nung nabili ko ito 2 years ago, wala siyang binigay na problema sa akin. Wala man lang siyang dahon na namatay, wala siyang dahon na nag-discolor, wala siyang ginawa kundi mag-produce ng mga dahon, kasi ito dadalawa lang ang dahon niya tsaka isang node nung nabili ko kasi may kamahalan. Pero tingnan nyo naman, meron na siya ngayong 10 dahon, bali 8 na leaves ang naibigay niya sa akin. Napakaganda niya. Yan, ang ating tricolor na Aglonema. Next one guys ay ito. Kaganda na burr marks na variegated. Ito guys, alam nyo, meron akong noong una, may nabili ako na burr marks din na variegated, pero alam nyo, nag-revert siya. Naging green lahat yung dahon niya guys. Pero ito, yan, napakaganda niya. Although may mga pure green din na lumalabas, pero marami din siyang mga variegated guys. Tingnan nyo ito, almost half moon na nga ito. Oh. Tapos meron pa dito tayong full moon. Ito oh. Pero pag full moon kasi syempre hindi rin ito magtatagal. Pagaganda ng kanyang variegation. At saka hindi rin ito problema guys. Nandito lang siya. Yan. More than 2 years na rin ito sa akin. Maganda ng kanyang stem. Yan. May mga variegations, may mga strip dyan. Kaya ibig sabihin, nagde-develop talaga siya ng variegations yung mga dahon niya guys. Yan. Napakaganda. Ang next ito, tingnan nyo naman, napakaganda na nitong ating variegated na sleeping photos. Yan. Matagal-tagal na ito talaga sa 3 years, magti 3 years na ito sa akin. Pero tingnan nyo naman, walang problema na binigay ito sa aking sleeping photos na ito. At saka lahat ng napropagate ko from it ay nabuhay guys. Yan. Walang kaarte-arte, nandyan lang siya. Yung ibang dahon lang niya nasunog, kaya nilagay ko na siya dito sa dilim. Dahil masyado na siyang nainitan doon sa part ng pinaglagyan ko sa kanya. Ito, ang ating sleeping photos na variegated. Now guys, this is my most favorite plant for this month guys. Tingnan nyo naman, napakaganda no. Yung kulay ng dahon niya nag-iiba-iba. And this is our golden ceratum guys. Yan. Wala itong kaproblema. Nandyan lang naman siya. Kumbaga, ang nakukuha lang niya na araw ay early morning sunlight guys. Yun. Tapos na rain or shine, nandyan lang siya. Pero ngayon magsa-summer siya, medyo masisira na itong dahon niya pag matagal na siya sa araw. Kaya ililipat ko na siya doon sa partly shaded area. Yan guys. Hindi pa ako nakapag-propagate nito, pero ready na for propagation ito kasi may mga lumalabas na siya na ugat, pero pahahabain ko pa ng konti guys. Yan. Yan lahat ang ating 10 most favorite plants for this month guys. Thank you again for watching, and see you again on my next video guys. Have a healthy and happy planting to us all. Bye!